Okay, in the previous video I worked through and set up the start button. So we click on run to run it. When you click on start, it puts in, it clears the fields, right? Clears the memos, I should say. Right? Puts in the 1000 there into the memo. One thing I forgot to do is put in a scroll bar on the memo, right over here. So let's go ahead and fix that up. So go to unit, get a memo, go to properties, and scroll down to scroll bar, right, and go to vertical. And as you can see, the scroll bar over here. Okay, fairly easy to do. And then I make sure I click on this button and save it. Alright, so far so good. Now we're going to go add in some more code. We're going to add in the amount of spins. Alright, so here we are on the start button. Okay, so I want to add in, tell myself that this is the start button. And then copy it. Copy. You know, it's a stop button. Paste it in. Okay. Save it. Now I just copy this line here. Right, copy. And so the next line will be very similar to that anyway. Paste it in. Right, we want to go to the name of the spins, which is here. Right, grab the name of it, copy it, go to the code, go to edit balance, and just paste it in. Right, run it. See, 20. Okay. So we've got the balance and we've got the amount of spins. Now, if I want to add in a little bit more, we can add in some more information into the lines. So let me go ahead and do that. So here I've modified the two lines. Right. I've added in balance equals, and then the information from the balance text. And then I put in spin 4, and then the information from the spins, and then spins. So let me run it. And click on start. You can see here, balance equals spin for 20 spins. Right? Really easy. Now you may want to put in some variables or some conditions when you do this, but for now, you know, like if edit spins or edit balance equals 0, for instance. But for now, we'll just leave it as it is. Don't want to make it too complicated. Alright. Save my work. Okay, so next thing I want to do is add in some variables and then write in a small script. So I add in variable spins, like so, and last underscore number, like so. Alright, now we go to, where were we? Here we are. Now we can add in some sort of procedure. We can do a while, until, something like that. Spins equals copy. go to click here, spins equals 0. While spins less than copy this, maybe number lines add, copy it, paste it in there, spins. Make sure I increase the spin. Last one. Like so. Let's see if that works. Okay, so how to change it to put in repeat instead. Spins equals spins plus 1. Memo lines add spins until spins equals edit spins. Spin is text, alright? So let me run that and click on start, and you can see here we've got 20. So far so good. So that works. Now we want to put some numbers into here and here. Okay, so I've added a bit more to the script. I've added in spins equals 0. Randomize to use a randomize function for the time being. I've added in the last number equals random 37. So I was picking a random number between 0 and 37. Spins equals spins plus 1, so it increases it by 1. Then we got here where it types in the information onto the screen, right, which is spin, integer to string, spin, which is the actual number of the spin, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last number, which is integer to string, last number, the random number that it picks. So let me show you what it looks like. Click on run, start, and you can see the numbers coming in here. Right? Easy. Next thing I want to do is get these same numbers, right, showing up in here. Right? The black numbers, 0 numbers, and the red numbers. Alright? But before I do that, I always save my work.